funny costumes. We are Halloween shopping.
Huh?
We are Halloween shopping with Nick.
Yeah, my shirt's on backwards. Inside out.
And you will see us wearing the weirdest things and the funniest. Oh, this is gonna be funny.
I already know how to put it on though. Yeah, I finally know.
I'll pause it. Don't forget to subscribe for more funny things and for Simon series. Oh God!
Here, Mama.
Say hi.
Wait, Laura.
Who's head?
Like,
Come out!
I don't want to.
Yes, Nick. Come on.
ew, Mommy, look at it. matches his shorts exactly. Tracy, you see this boy?
No, Sage's fault.
Oh.
You guys gotta be careful. Oh, that's big Jesse mirror.
I feel pretty confident.
Wet t-shirt, wet. Did you guys see it? What? Yeah.
How are we supposed to see these things? Oh my God. I love this.
Right?
What? Oh my God.
This shirt.
Okay, it's on. Put it all the way on. No, you're a crash ass dummy. Go run into a wall. Did you get Nick on your video?
Yes.
Be careful.
Wait.
I'm missing you.
Huh. Come on, hold it. I like to squish my boobies.
Try.
That is awesome. I cannot believe I'm gonna try this on.
Did you get it?
I see me running over here. I'm all, oh, there's a hot dog. Running hot dog.
A big hamburger.
I'm gonna be a banana. He's a cheeseburger. 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 Come on, I know I do.
Yes, you do.
Burger King.
Burger King.
Mom.
Did you put your legs in now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open these for her.
Amy.
I am.
This is a video costume.
It's going. The numbers are going. You close it like this, like Pac-Man does with his mouth or his eyes or his whatever. Look, he disappeared. It ain't Troy.
Wow. Okay.
You can get that and wear the black skin. And then you wouldn't see.
You know what she's talking about? Those other skin things?
Pac-Man's mouth is so big.
Mm-hmm.
What?
It feels funny, but awkward.
Stand up.
Go that way. See how happy you are.
Stand up. Nikki.
This is making me feel weird.
Come on.
It's plastic.
It's plastic.
There's nothing there. I would die.
Look at here.
I don't want to.
Here, hurry, look in this mirror. Run.
Hi, hello. And how might you be today?
Oh God, keep that away.
What?
I said, oh God, keep that away. Alright, so this is the end of the video.
Reveal. Wait. It has to be a reveal because I am not.
Ew. Ew.
Or any more awkward.
Okay, peace.